Hello, welcome to the first homework review for our new unit, Accentuate the Negative. Homework 1.2, Comparing and Ordering Positive and Negative Numbers, ACE Problems 9 through 19. In class, we've just been talking in general about positive and negative numbers. How are they used in our regular lives? We talked about golf scores, we talked about temperatures, we talked about checkbooks, adding and subtracting, debits, that type of stuff. Today in class, we talked about number lines and how number lines are really helpful when ordering positive and negative numbers and when determining what's greater, a positive or negative number. So our first questions talk about putting numbers on a number line to help you order them. So we had negative 2/8, positive 1/4, negative 1/5, and 1 3/4. If we put those on the number line, you can see it goes negative 1/5, negative 2/8, positive 1/4, and positive 1 3/4. So that's that one. The second one, we started out with negative 1 in 2500ths, negative 1/3, 1 1/2, and negative 1/6. So we have three negatives. So we know that positive 1.5 is our greatest. We have three negatives, and we have to do some math here. Well, we know that when negative 1 is greater than these two fractions, so they're less than 1. So negative 1 1/4 is over here, and then we have negative 1/3, which is really negative 2/6, followed by negative 1/6. So it goes negative 1 1/4, negative 1/3, negative 1/6, and 1/5. The next set says to just order these numbers from least to greatest, and you can do it however you want. If you want to do a number line, or if you think you can just do it. But the answers to put them in order would be negative 45 2/10, negative 4/5, negative 1/2, negative 3/10, or sorry, positive 3/10, 3/5, 23 6/10, and number 15. The last set of questions is ask you to determine if they're greater, less than, or equal to. So 3 is greater than 0. Negative 23.4 is greater than 23.4 because negative is more to the left. Remember, numbers to the left are smaller, numbers to the right are greater. 46 is greater than negative 79 because 46 is to the right of negative 79. Negative 75 is greater than negative 90 because negative 75 is to the right of negative 90 on the number line. Negative 300 is less than 100 because it's to the left. Negative 1,000 is less than negative 999 because it's 1 to the left on the number line. And then negative 1 7300ths is equal to negative 1 730,000 because they're the same number. You can drop that 0 off and they're the same number. And negative 4 3/10 is less than negative 4 300ths because 4 3/10 is to the left of 4 300ths. And our secret word today is going to be union, U-N-I-O-N, because that's the college that I went to, and they just won the NCAA Division I men's hockey tournament. So I'm really excited that a school of 2,200 students, no athletic scholarships, just won the national championships. So the secret word is union. Thank you.